And apparently there's a ghost, but we don't know where. Probably in the garden. Let's have a look in there. Go outside. Silent door. Oh, it's open. Spooky. I wonder who left it open. Maybe a ghost. Ah. Oh, look at that. You can clearly see someone probably definitely died over there, you see. It looks very deathly and horrible. And we've got all the leaves here. And they're sort of universal symbol for ghosts. And I wouldn't step any further, though, if I were you, because it might grab you and eat your bones and your liver. Because they're very dangerous, you see, ghosts, you see, because yeah, they live in the trees and shit like that. Alright, that was really good stuff. Okay, cut.